Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Youthman. In today's video, guys, I am super pumped about. I've been waiting to receive this receiver for about 2 months now, and it's finally here. Today, we're going to be doing an unboxing of Marantz's flagship SR8012 11.2 receiver. Now, I'm super excited about this, and I hope you guys are too. But before we jump into the video, if you're into home theater, audio, and video, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the bell notification so that you'll be notified when the next video drops. Before we get too far in the video, I just want to say a big shout out and a big thanks to Marantz for sending me the 8012 to review for you guys. I cannot express how excited I am for this. As you know, I recently installed 4 Dolby Atmos in-ceiling speakers. So currently Youthman is running a 7.2.4 system. And so I need something that's going to power 11 speakers. And so I'm looking at several receivers currently. The Denon 6400, the Marantz 8012, which I'm really excited about, as well as the Anthem MRX 1120. Now I'll be reviewing each one of those receivers over the next several weeks. And so make sure you hit that subscribe button and make sure you stay tuned, because we're going to be telling you what we like, what we don't like, what they sound like, and how they perform, as well as their menu structure, all that good stuff. So stay tuned. So I'm not going to waste any more time just chit-chatting. Let's do an unboxing. So here we go. All right, let's get this thing unboxed. So right on the top, we've got our remote control with some batteries. Lay that off to the side. Inside here, we got our product manuals. Got our Bluetooth and Wi-Fi antenna, your regular AM/FM antenna, as well as these nice labels that we saw in the previous Denon 6400. I love these labels. This is actually really super handy. So lay that to the side. Here's our little chintzy tripod mount for your Odyssey XT32 microphone. So if you need to use that, that's fine. Or if you have a regular tripod, you can use that as well. So we'll set that to the side, as well as our power cable. Now this is a pretty beefy receiver. It weighs 38.4 pounds. And that's mainly because it's got a large toroidal transformer. So a lot of that weight comes from that. All right, so let's zoom in just a little bit. Let's take a closer look at the front of the Marantz SR8012. You guys ready? Here it is. Check that out, man. That is gorgeous. So on the far left, we've got our input selector that allows us to cycle through the various selection sources. Over on the far right, we've got our master volume up and down. In the middle, this is our main display that we'll use once the door is closed, so you'll be able to see some information there. If I zoom in on the far left, we can see we have options for Pure Direct, MDAX. Now MDAX is a feature in the Marantz that allows to compensate for data loss in compressed audio such as MP3s and WMA. So it tries to bring back some of that sound that is lost. We've also got a button for dynamic EQ as well as dynamic volume. Now I typically don't mess with dynamic volume, but I do like to enable dynamic EQ. Over on the far right, we have our navigation button that allows us to cycle through the various menus going up and down, left and right. our enter button, you go into main setup here, and then once you're into certain various menus, you can always go back to a previous menu by hitting that button there. Then down here on the bottom left, we've got our on and off button. Inputs for movie, music, as well as game. You can click info to get more information on the various audio sources or the video sources that are being played. You can turn on and off your A and B speakers. We've got HDMI out, dimmer, status, and then options for your zone 2 and 3. On the back of the unit, we have 7 HDMI inputs. Each one of them are 4K HDCP 2.2 compliant. We have 2 HDMI monitor outs as well as a zone 2 out. The 8012 is equipped with pre-outs for all 11 channels, so you can easily add external amplifiers down the road should you feel that you need more power. Various digital audio coax as well as optical inputs, and also dual sub outputs. The back of the unit is laid out very well and easy to navigate. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed the unboxing and overview of the Marantz SR8012 flagship 11.2 receiver. Now I'll be doing a full review of this receiver and possibly some other videos on it in the next several weeks, so make sure you're subscribed to the channel and be sure to follow us on social media on both Facebook and Instagram to keep up with the latest news. Now I'd love to hear what receiver you guys are using in your setup, as well as maybe what receiver you're looking to upgrade to next. Be sure to leave that in the comments below. And if you're interested in purchasing the SR8012, I've got a link to it down in the description, as well as various other receivers in different price points. And as always, you guys be blessed, and we'll catch you in the next video.